Yappies Bagger Nation, and today we are playing with the Road Glide 3, Harley's newest three-wheeler platform. And what I want to talk to you about right now is the front fairing on the new Road Glide 3. This trike actually comes with a Road Glide fairing installed from the factory. However, what they do is they raise the fairing up. They actually raise it a full inch, which I don't understand at all. The Road Glides already have too tall of a fairing. So what we did is we removed their lift block, put in our drop block, which gives this fairing a full 3-inch drop from stock, makes it line up right with the tank, gives it a beautiful flow, gives the bike a way better look and more attitude, and you can see over the fairing better, you can see around the fairing better. We always add a flare windshield, which gives great aerodynamics, sends that wind up over your head. So this, what we're talking about here, is our drop block kit for the Road Glide 3. What we've added to the kit is when we drop the fairing 3 inches, you have to take the steering dampener and also drop in an inch, so your Road Glide 3 specific drop block kit will come with the brackets that drop your steering dampener an inch to clearance everything. It's a direct bolt-on kit, no modifications necessary. Check it out at baggernation.com. Thanks for watching.